my dear students, I am Satyanarayana Saha. You are watching SNS World YouTube channel. आप लोग कैसे हैं? तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। आज हम पढ़ाएंगे स्टैंडर्ड 8 का सिविक्स। पहले 2 वीडियो अपलोड कर चुके हैं। ऑर्गन्स ऑफ गवर्नमेंट, गवर्नमेंट का क्या क्या ऑर्गन होता है? लेजिस्लेटिव, एग्जीक्यूटिव, जुडिशियल। लेजिस्लेचर जो आइन बनाता है, एग्जीक्यूटिव जो आइन इंप्लीमेंट करता है। हम प्रेसिडेंट का बारे में बताए थे। अगर तुम लोग नहीं देखे होगे तो उस वीडियो को देख लेने से पता चल जाएगा प्रेसिडेंट किस तरह से इलेक्टेड होते हैं, उसका पावर क्या है, कितना साल तक उसका वैलिडिटी रहता है, वो सब मालूम पड़ जाएगा। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द वाइस प्रेसिडेंट। द वाइस प्रेसिडेंट, Vice President. Who was the first Vice President of India? The first Vice President of India was Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Now current Vice President is Venkaiah Naidu. So how he is elected and what is his function, उसका बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। At first qualification. Qualification: first, citizen of India, citizen of India, and more than 35 years of age. Must be qualified to be member of Rajya Sabha. And not hold office of profit under the union or state government. These are the qualifications. Then how he elected? He is elected indirectly through electoral college. Electoral college. Electoral college consists of both houses of parliament, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, or MP, member of parliament. And what is his function? Function: ex officio. Ex officio chairman, and he presides over the meeting in the Rajya Sabha. Maintain discipline, and who disobey, he has power to suspend him. उसका ऊपर पावर होता है. After that, when president is absent, at that time vice president takes charge. And when president post removed by impeachment or resignation, at that time vice president takes charge. These are the qualification, election procedures and function of vice president. Next is the Prime Minister. Prime Minister is the real head. President appoints council ministers through Prime Minister. At first, President consult with whom? Prime Minister. And how Prime Minister is elected? Prime Minister is elected directly. Who is the member of the majority party of the Lok Sabha? Prime Minister is the real head in India. In different country, different procedures. In America, their president is powerful. In India, prime minister is powerful. And prime minister at first list out the name of council ministers. Council ministers, three categories: cabinet minister, minister of state, and deputy ministers. President appoint prime minister, who is the leader of the majority party, and prime minister take leading role of the country. All the developmental works done under the instruction of prime minister. Prime minister thinks about how the country will go in developmental path, and council of ministers works like a team. Collective responsibility. All ministers take responsibility and help the prime minister. Prime minister अकेले सब काम संभाल नहीं पाएंगे, इसीलिए काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर उन लोग को हेल्प करते हैं. If no confidence motion passed against any minister, then all minister must resign. No confidence motion जब पास हो जाता है तब डिजर्व हो जाता है लोकसभा. काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर में अगर कोई मिनिस्टर मेंबर नहीं है पार्लियामेंट का, अगर उसको चुना गया है तो 6 मंथ रहता है उसको प्रूव करने के लिए. वो एनी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी ही स्टैंड्स एंड प्रूव बाय विनिंग इलेक्शन. इसी तरह सिस्टम है. ये है एग्जीक्यूटिव. तुम लोग का चैप्टर का कवर कर दिए. एक बार बुक को देख लेना. Like, share and comment this video. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get earlier information. Thank you.